Hello and welcome to Batek. Today I am going to teach you how you can type any document in seconds using AI. So this video I'm dropping, I'm going to be in trouble with those who are having documentation. But my brothers and sisters, don't be angry with me. You can use this video to speed up your work. So if you are a teacher or you are working in documentation and you have something to type, okay, the first thing you need to do is to like the video, share, comment, okay. Then you come and watch how I can type anything that you have written with your hands in seconds using AI and some tools. So let's get started. Hey. So for you to type anything using AI in seconds, you need these tools. You need Google Lens and Gemini. Okay. So these are the tools you are going to be using to type any document fast using AI. And the best thing with this method is that this AI will edit the document, correct your grammatical errors, and make everything ready as if it's a question paper. Also give you even suggestions. Okay, so let's get started. Now, if you don't have Google Lens in your phone, you download it. If you have it, you can get it through your camera here. If you open your camera, you click on this other dot, this thing that is looking like a camera and there's a dot inside. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, any document you have already written, you point this Google Lens on it. Okay, so you click on select text. Okay, now when you click on select text, you wait because it needs internet to do the work. So my internet is a bit slow. There's no connection. Now forget about what is coming down here. You select all the text here, you take copy. Okay, when you take copy, you open your Gemini. If you open your Gemini, you type this prompt. Type, please adjust this exam these exams for me. Okay, then you paste it. You say, let me go back to the prompt. Say, adjust this exam for me that I copied via Google Lens. So that's the prompt you are going to type. You click on send. Okay, so you wait. So this one I'm doing is just simple example. I know your exam question is going to be much. You are just going to click on the you are just going to copy the page and you send. It will type it and adjust everything to look neat. So let's wait and see how it's loading. Connection problem. Okay, here is it. Now here is the adjusted professional format version of your exam corrected. The OCR error from the scan. Terminology O level 2026. Bata University subject AI, artificial intelligence. See, I wrote just AI, but now it has added artificial intelligence. Paper 1. Time allowed 3 hours. Instruction to candidate. It has added even instruction. Answer all questions clearly and concisely. Ensure Your candidate and education details are correct at the top of your answer sheet. So those are the adjustments it is making. Examination question. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Define its core purpose in modern technology. 2. Explain the process of typing. Content generation with help of AI. Provide at least 2 examples of tools used for this purpose. It has added. Question 3. How can AI be utilized to edit existing text or media? And now you can copy this exam to your doc and print it.